What is up, guys? Okay, as you can see, my bathroom is just not. I should do bathroom makeover. Let's get to cleaning. Hate that bathrooms have like zero ventilation. That frustrates me. You can get a tip, girl, that you the way you are. What he say? Cause that's not it. So I was gonna exercise today, but my hip is hurting way too bad. So I am just gonna stretch. Take these freaking braids down. It does look like Pop Smoke. The video showing you guys how to edit and stuff. I've yet to film that one. So I'm gonna film that sometime today before 4 o'clock. This is my favorite hairstyle, the crinkle braids. I don't know, something about it just hit different. Make me feel like I'm on an ocean, drive, shore, whatever. I'm done freaking filming. I crossed that off the list. We are dancing online. Say hi. Hey. Good morning, guys. This morning I was feeling so freaking anxious and I was just like, what the heck? Why do I feel like this? But I took a shower and all that stuff, so I feel better than I did before. But I don't know. I think it's just because I was like, I'm not editing anything. I haven't done anything. So I have 1 page out of 2 pages of my side done. But I decided I want to do a face mask. So I just made a face mask out of turmeric. Ew. I can taste it. It tastes like mustard. Turmeric is not bad, but when you taste it, you throw up. My face about to be yellow. That's okay. I don't know how long I should let this sit. I'm just layering. Okay, all of this is literally dropping onto my floor. All the product is inside. Like, come on. Bro, my skin, sorry, that's all water. My skin looks ever so glowy. And it feels like a freaking baby's butt. No, I've been bragging my boy. Look what just came into the mail. I have some more stickers that should be coming in. I feel like right now is a good time to decorate. This is a duster. How cool. Coat that goes on top. I got a refurbished Mac, so I'm excited to see that. It smells like plastic. Jesus Christ. Most of these are like brand hype beast things. This Comme des Garçons is really pretty. I'll put that on. I like this Murakami, and this is Ablo because this is like from Technicolor. I can't speak, but I look like our presidents. I can't think of who. All right, so I am done slating and I'm done doing my side. Gotta turn those in, do all my good girl acting stuff. I have not ate today yet. I don't even know what time it is. 1:19. And now I'm just waiting on my freaking computer to come. I'm chill. I'm chill. I'm so chill. Like, I'm chilling. Like, you asked me, am I chill? I was like, yeah, I'm chill. Like, no need to keep asking me, am I chill, you know? Oh my god, my camera's dying. They ask me if I do this every day. I say often. I added some more stickers because my other stickers came in today. My Redbubble stickers still haven't came in, but these are all the other stickers. Okay, I'm done. I'm done yelling. Little thing at the bottom. I think I said this multiple times, but this is refurbished. Same thing as brand new. They all the same thing to me. Whew, okay. Woo! Okay, I can't. I need to calm down. I'm loud because I'm happy. I'm happy because I'm loud. I can't see because I can't hear. You know, I can't hear because I can't see. But I'm back. You know, I was asleep. But then I came back. Are you looking at what I'm looking at? That mug is a strict 13-inch. A strict space gray. Strict. I need to, okay. Let's just go ahead and peel this. It's the glamorous. The glamorous, and the ooh, the blouse. You know, Fergalicious didn't make that song for no reason. She made it for me because I'm happy. Hold on. Listen to the crisp. Oh. The opening is just so crisp. Woo! Woo! Are y'all looking? I can't breathe. Let me. Y'all good? Y'all good? Oh, snap. Oh, hold on. I dropped my camera on multiple occasions. I won't lie to y'all. I do in fact drop my camera a lot. But she back. Okay. Okay. Oh God. So obviously it's like heavy, but it's not. It's like light. It's heavier than, no, this one is way heavier. I guess I just care more about this one. Anyway, this is this one. And then it comes with the packaging. Everything like is brand spanking new. Refurbished is just the name part. Because there's literally not even a dust speck on this stuff. Like, what part is refurbished? I don't see it. It's all looking new to me. And then I'm sure if you watching me, you done watched a bunch of these. They show you the stuff in the inside. I got the stickers, less stickers. That's the best part. Y'all notice the touch bar get together. So we're gonna see what this talking about. We're gonna see what she talking about. I hope y'all could have just see what everything I was doing. Smooth. Oh God. It's so cold. I'm sure it's dead then if it's this cold. Y'all, there's not a single scratch on this mug. Just my fingerprints. Hey, calm down. I'm so loud because I'm so hyped. I can't see because I can't hear. I'm gonna put my case on it right now. Hopefully I literally made this case right so I don't. Hold on, I'm putting my case on. Oh! Press the return key. Oh, okay, sis, what's up? I didn't know we was on times like that, Siri. What's up? We mess with each other like that. You talking to me? That looks so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the bottom on. Cause this mug is cold. Why the bottom not clicking in? Hopefully it stay on because it don't click like the top do. I'm not really messing with the covering. I don't like this. I'm gonna stick with my real keys. I have finally finished everything. I'm just doing a few things with my sides and with just turning in stuff. I'm so excited. I feel so motivated right now. Super uber excited. I need to calm down. I'm just eating dinner. It's 9 o'clock. I'm going to school tomorrow. But yeah, that's pretty much it. What you watching? I am currently back at the crib. I got my cap and gown. This is my cap. My gown's in the freaking... But I want to write on it. I'm gonna paint something. So I'm probably gonna paint like that girl. What time is it? It is 11:43. Got home right on time. Today, my Final Cut Pro came through. All that stuff. I also need to order these items from Target so they can come to the crib. Get those right now to do. I have to edit today, but I'm editing on my phone. Okay, let me pause this. Hey Siri, pause the music. God. Basically, I am doing my cap. This is, you guys know, the Ecstasy cover. Should I just pull it up? I'll pull it up. I just recreated it right here. And then I'm gonna do like a bunch of other albums I was listening to my senior year. Stuff from Target came. I got Castile soap. I got my whitening toothpaste. Toothbrush, thank the Lord. I got these Sterapod things. And I got my razors. So I'm gonna go put all this up. I'm about to change my bed. I'm actually about to start painting on the floor. No, I'm about to stop painting for today because I need to edit because I haven't edited the video that's supposed to go up today. I don't know if it's gonna go up today. I think I'll just post it tomorrow at 4 instead. So we'll see. I feel like posting it tomorrow at 4 is way better than posting it today. I would have posted an hour and 15 minutes ago, and I just want to find out how Final Cut works. Let me stop over explaining. I'm just about to do. Let's go. So my Redbubble stickers have arrived, and I'm taking you guys outside with me to go get them. Okay, come on.
I need to get on.
This is like something burning. Hurry up, Aaron. You need your mask on? Raining a little bit. Come on, Aaron. That dog though. Shh. Calm down. It is raining. Don't run down there. I told you. You got on open toe. Stop, Aaron. Aaron. Walk. Aaron be testing her luck. That's not funny. Stop doing that. Because if you fall with them slippers, I ain't there to save her. Look at her about to fall. Aaron. I just showed my mail on accident. Cause you. That's your fault. Why are you screaming so much? Watch mama lock this out. Look at that angel energy just rolling off of that freaking fan. Okay. We have our roof sticker and our full kook sticker. I have so many of these Comme des Garçons hearts. Louis Vuitton. I got a death sticker and a more issues than Vogue sticker. You know I had to get my Lexa. Got Lexa Demi and Selling the Spades. I got a MacBook for my MacBook, and then I got Vogue, The Neighborhood, and I think this is Pulp Fiction if I'm not mistaken. I got 2 more Euphoria, one with Jules saying what up, you know, the girls during Halloween. I got another Louis Vuitton, and then this is Playboy Cardi if I'm not mistaken. I got Social Media Seriously Harms Your Health, and then I got the Sun. I got fashion in that same off-white. I got Rihanna in different things. I got Blair and, oh, I thought I took this off. Okay, I got Blair and Serena, and I got I think this is Pantone, and then I got some Doc Martens and Cherry Hope. So I'm about to put these on. Good morning, it's the next day. I honestly could not tell you what the last thing I did was yesterday in front of you guys, but I just finished the face mask. Do I look glowy? I just finished that same turmeric face mask. I wonder if there's like been a huge difference. Probably not. You guys probably don't see anything. I'm going to finish my cap because right now all I have is Ecstasy on there. I want to put Replay and like Kissland and just some other stuff on there. So I'm going to do that right now. Yeah. Hello guys, I know I currently look like an African auntie, but I think this is where I'm going to end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much.
She blow my brains out.